Add lemon to condensed milk and you'll be amazed by the result. In a small bowl, start by squeezing a ripe lemon. Also add 395 grams of condensed milk at room temperature, and using an electric mixer, beat everything very well until stiff peaks form. I beat it on full power for about 8 minutes. And it should look like this, just like mine. Take it to the fridge and let it chill for at least 20 minutes. Meanwhile, in a food processor, add 100 grams of cookies and crush them until they're fine crumbs. This is the right consistency. You may stop crushing them and set aside. Now, cut 2 strawberries. Cut them like this into thin strips. But make sure you don't cut them all the way through. Once you've done that and the mousse, take this time to share this video and write in the comment section the name of the city from which you're watching it, and we'll make sure to leave a heart, especially for you. Oh, and thanks for sharing this video. Has already chilled. Transfer all of it to a piping bag. Have you got That Recipe app? It's already available for download. With this app, you'll have access to all our recipes in the palm of your hands, and you'll get notified every time we upload a new recipe. In addition to all that, you'll also have access to an exclusive area in which you can bookmark your favorite recipes. Go to the App Store or Play Store now, type That Recipe, and download it. Make a cut at the tip and set aside. Then, to assemble the dessert, in a very nice dessert glass, add 2 tablespoons of the cookies we crushed. Then add the mousse as I'm doing. I hope you're enjoying the recipe. Share it with your friends. By doing so, you'll be helping us go even further. Garnish with chocolate shavings to taste, and finish with the strawberry fan we made. That recipe is ready. You may now get one and enjoy it. I hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye bye.